Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You begin by locking proportions quickly. Draw a horizontal centerline and a vertical midline to keep symmetry. Then lay down a 1-1 oval that represents the headset body. This gives you the overall mass. Once done, mark the left and right eye centers inside that oval so placement is accurate later. Next, add a thinner 0.5 oval across the front to indicate the glass panel. This helps guide reflections and bevels. Keep strokes light. You will refine them in the next step. Now refine the basic forms into recognizable parts. Block in the foam padding using soft curved rectangles around the eye centers so you capture comfort volume. Then refine the front glass by turning that thin oval into a subtle double curve and add an inner bevel to suggest thickness and edge light. After that, sketch the top band, speaker grills, and hinge shapes with clean contour lines. These define the headset silhouette. Make sure to vary line weight to separate foreground edges from recessed details. Finish by establishing light and material. Choose a 45 degrees light source and add core shadows beneath the band and around the foam to ground the piece. Once shadows are placed, paint crisp highlights on the glass, thin white strokes with soft fades, to communicate reflective apple glass. After that, erase construction guides and darken final edges for contrast. If something looks off, check proportions against your initial center lines and adjust scale. Make sure the glass curvature matches the headset body to avoid a lopsided appearance.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.